Hi everybody. So today I know my setup is looking a little bit different, Aussie pants, but I wanted to talk to you guys about these waist beads.
No, those are not waist beads. Those are Rainbow's waist beads. They're cool. They're not fun. They're cool.
Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you about these waist beads that I purchased from Raine. She is a waist bead small business owner, amazing. She also has a TikTok. The items that I purchased was the Align collection, and it has all of the chakras, chakra colors. You can wear them if you want to pick one. You can wear one or you can wear all of them. I also bought Nefertiti. I also purchased Soft Spoken, and the last one was Wild Orchid. I don't know if I'm going to wear all of these. I might just wear the Chakra Align because I feel like the spiritual journey that I'm on right now, I felt like this makes more sense. And then I'm going to hold on to these for when I decide that I want to add more or if I want to change them out. But her name is Raine. This is her business card. And this is her website. And she's also on TikTok. Please follow her on TikTok. She also makes the beads live. And also if you're ordering them, she'll discuss with you, you know, how to wear them, things of that nature. Excellent customer service, in a timely manner. Keep in mind that she makes these by hand. So I don't know why some people have expectations that they're going to purchase something and it's going to come the next day. Sometimes she is not able to do that. I don't think that she is able to do that. If she is a magician and a genius. But anyway, all of her packaging, I love her packaging. I had the actual package that it came in, but my 4-year-old decided to use that as a sensory tool because he's autistic. So he loves the bubble wrap in it. So thank you, Divine. Thank you, Raine, for that. So the packaging, and she has a anchor bead, and she ties them in the way that the beads do not come off. And when you're ready to apply them, she has an Instagram video, TikTok video on how to apply them correctly. I will say that you will need a bowl, a lighter, in order to burn them in so that they can stay. But she gives detailed instructions on them. I am going to post photos of me wearing them so that you guys can see how they look. One of the things that I enjoyed was that she preaches body positivity. And she also encourages women of all shapes and sizes to wear them. So you do not have to be a size 2. You can be a size 2 or a size 20 in order to wear these. She also has them in standard size and extended sizes. I think the extended sizes go up to 60 inches. I ordered the extended sizes. And also, I don't know, she doesn't do customizations, but she can refer you to someone who is just as good that does customizations. So just ask her. But I would advise maybe make a purchase first. That would be nice. This one is these are my favorites. When I saw these, I had to get these. Purple is my favorite color. Black is my favorite color. So I had to see these. And the Nefertitis are amazing. So I am going to, please like, share, this video, and please follow, Raine on all of her social medias. I will link them below. Also, if you're asking about the makeup that I did today, this came from Rebel Cosmetics, and this is from the Scream Queens palette and also the Rebel Moon palette. I will also link that as well. If you want to check out the products I received from that purchase, I will link that video below as well. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you make a purchase. It's worth it. Bye.